Hi there, and today I'll be answering a popular question. Does the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have SD card options? Let's find out, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, does this phone support SD cards? The simple answer is no. We can confirm it by looking at the bottom of the phone. So as you can see, there is no slot for inserting an SD card. We can only find the slot for SIM card, in which you can insert two SIM cards but not an SD card. But there is a loophole how you can insert an SD card. We are gonna need this adapter with Type-C. So just connect it with the phone and now take your SD card and insert it in here. And now you can use this SD card with your phone. So that was all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.